Here's how to fix your Roblox avatar not loading. First, log out of your Roblox account and sign in with another account if you have one, or create a new account. Open the avatar page and check if it loads correctly. If it does, log out and sign back into your original account. This often refreshes avatar data. If the issue continues, check your internet connection. Visit speedtest.net in your browser and run a speed test. Roblox recommends a stable connection with at least 4 to 6 megabits per second download speed. If your connection is unstable, fix that first before trying again. Next, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings by clicking the 3 dots icon. Select Clear Browsing Data, then clear cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Restart your browser and sign back into Roblox. If you're using the Roblox website, try a different browser as well, since browser-specific issues can sometimes prevent avatars from loading. Also, if you're using a headless avatar item, try unequipping it, leave the avatar page or game, then open it again. In many cases, your avatar will load normally after re-equipping or changing accessories. If none of these methods work, the issue may be on Roblox's servers, so you'll need to wait until it's resolved. That's all for this video. Thanks.